In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Cloudways. When you launch a new application on Cloudways, you're usually given a temporary URL to view the site. That's helpful for testing, but it's not the domain you actually want people to visit. Your domain registrar and your Cloudways server do not connect automatically, so you need to point the domain manually. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to grab your server IP, update your DNS records, connect the domain inside Cloudways, and then secure everything with a free SSL certificate. First, log into your Cloudways account and open the application you want to connect to your domain. On the Access Details page, look for the field labeled Public IP. This is the server address your domain will point to. Copy that IP address and keep it handy because you'll need it in the next part. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to the company where you purchased your domain. Go to the DNS settings area. Depending on the provider, this may be called DNS Management, Name Servers, or Advanced DNS. Here, you'll create the records that direct traffic to Cloudways. Start by adding an A record. In the host or name field, enter the @ symbol. In the value or points to field, paste the public IP address you copied from Cloudways. Leave the TTL set to automatic or 1 hour, then save the record. After that, add a C name record. In the host field, enter www. In the value or target field, enter your root domain, such as yourdomain.com. Save that as well. This makes sure both the main version of your site and the www version root properly. Now go back to Cloudways and open the domain management section for your application. Click Add Domain, then enter your full domain name and save the change. Once the domain appears in the list, open the options next to it and choose Make Primary. Confirm the update so Cloudways knows this is the main domain for the application. With the domain connected, the next step is security. In the Cloudways sidebar, open SSL certificate. Keep the provider set to Let's Encrypt, then enter an email address and your domain name. Click Install Certificate and let Cloudways complete the setup. This enables HTTPS, which protects data and also helps build trust with visitors. Finally, take a moment to verify everything. Make sure the correct domain is listed as primary, confirm the SSL certificate shows as active, and check that your DNS records match the server IP you copied earlier. Also remember that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so if the site doesn't update instantly, give it a little while, that's it. Your domain is now connected to Cloudways and secured properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.